Good afternoon. I had some requests to explain how to do different quick codes for your different classes if you wanted to have your kids take their test next week in a locked browser, but you wanted each class to have a different quick code. So I'm going to show you that real quickly. This is a fake assessment that I created earlier to show Alton. Alton Smith's actually the one that asked about this. So I'm going to click that test and go in, and I'm going to go to Administer Online. You can also do that from the list view and the action button over on the right. If you click that, just go to Administer and it'll bring you here. So I'm going to click Test with Quick Code. And it does a date window automatically, but what you could do now is go into Edit and make it for, if your test was for Monday, then make the date be for Monday at 8 a.m. And that test lasts for till 11:10 p.m. Still a.m. Sorry, and still on the 9th. And so that would be your first class's quick code. Notice the access code, once it's finished saving, shows up right here on the far right. So now what you could do is you could do another test code, so test with quick code, and edit it for, let's say this was for your second block class on Tuesday. So now I would pick Tuesday from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. and save it, and so on. So I've done something wrong, 8 a.m. to 11:10 a.m. on 12:10, not 12:09, and save it, and so on. So if you have multiple sections of the same test and you want them to have different quick codes so that they can't give each other the quick code to get into the test, this is how you would do it. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.